Hi, I'm Michael, and you are watching Quantumweek for Investors, edition number 3. This week we are talking about how we assess the product and technology of a particular quantum company and, in general, the company itself. All our work is rooted in time tested frameworks that we have developed ourselves and that have become the industry standard. Here we have an example of a company that we are going to assess against the quantum computing framework. But we have the similar ones for quantum sensing and quantum communications as well as many other subdomains. So what we see here is the structure of the quantum computing stack. At the bottom, we have the hardware, which is the quantum plane and control plane. This is all about building the machines themselves. Then we have the quantum computing mid-stack, which role is to bridge the gap in between the hardware and the software to optimize for the performance and reliability of quantum computers. At the top, we have the layers that are facing user community. So we have programming frameworks, algorithms, and applications. Now, how we assess a company? We put our framework here on the left in the same order as presented in the graphics. Then each layer has its own sublayers, and we score the company's capabilities and their product capabilities against this. This is purely fictional scenario, and any similarities to existing companies are a pure coincidence. So here we are dealing with a scenario of a company that wants to become a full stack quantum computing player. They are very good in hardware, at least in single modules, but not good in module to module or network interconnects. And they are stepping forward to make their strides in the software layers, while the mid-stack layer is a bit tough for them. Their roadmap wants to especially work on the mid-stack layers while also improving hardware, but the software will not make a significant progress in the coming years. They have also competition, and we see how they compare against it. So in this case, the competition with the same modality of qubits will show a little bit worse performance in the hardware stack, a little bit more performance in the mid stack. So their infrastructure is better in general, but they are less oriented towards the users with applications and algorithms. On the other hand, the direct competitor who is providing services in the same geography has very good applications and algorithms, while the hardware cannot deliver as the company that we are looking into. So this provides us an overview of the technology of the company and really allows us to position themselves. How they should position themselves? Probably the best idea for them would be to do co-design. So look at the specific problems and of the customers and build on their expertise both in software and hardware to see which applications can be implemented on this particular modality. And this is something that none of the competitors could do. And with their improvements and also speeding up in terms of the mid-stack developments, they will be able to hopefully dominate the market. We also have other tabs like science and IP, strategy and commercialization, teams and operations, and environmental, social, and governance criteria. Then our model makes it into summarized score in all of these categories, and we can track the company progress. We can see that the current numbers, which are also Q1 of 2024, are a little better than they were in the last quarter of 2023. Once again, this is hypothetical scenario, but it allows us to see how we can track the progress of companies, and this is exactly what we do. So if you have a portfolio and you're looking for constant evaluation of it, to see the gaps, to see the opportunities, contact GQI, contact me, click the response button, and let's talk.